I literally do my makeup in a different outfit so I don't mess it up. Somehow I still ended up getting makeup on this shirt. So if you see makeup on my shirt, don't say nothing, okay?
You see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet.
It's the weekend, y'all. I'm about to head out the door. I'm gonna see Dune for the second time because I'm obsessed. How many of y'all have seen Dune? Are y'all fans? Are y'all liking it? We're not gonna do no spoilers around here for those of you who haven't seen it yet. But I needed to do something to my hair, so I went ahead and installed this glueless wig from OhMyPretty Hair. Their glueless wigs are always so pretty, so I already knew once I pulled it out the box, it was gonna be super easy to install and it was gonna look super cute for my little dates. So this is their straight 26-inch wear and go glueless wig. The lace closure is 6 inches by 4 inches back. So you get quite a bit of parting space on this closure area. And it is an HD closure. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes with pre-cut lace, and the knots on this wig have already been pre-bleached for you. So it is ready to wear straight out of the box. I have been loving showing y'all these wigs straight out of the box. So if you order the wig, you can take it straight out of the box and get the same look that I have right here. I am loving the way that this install turned out. I knew that OhMyPretty Hair wasn't gonna let me down. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed this glueless wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from OhMyPretty Hair. This is a glueless wig, y'all. It has beautiful pink packaging. My nails are pink. My shirt is pink. I love pink, y'all, okay? So this is one of their straight glueless wigs. And it did come with freebies on the bottom. It came with false lashes, 2 wig caps, an elastic band, and an edge brush. So let's go ahead and take the wig out of the packaging. It did come in this plastic bag. This is a straight glueless wig, y'all. It is 26 inches long. So here is the wig once you take it out of the packaging. As you can see, it's super sleek and straight. Here is a close-up of the HD lace closure. It is a 6 by 4 inch HD lace closure. As you can see, it does have pre-cut lace. It has a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots have been bleached. So this baby is ready to wear, y'all. And here is the inside of the cap. It does not have any wig combs on the inside of the cap, y'all, which I definitely don't mind. I don't really use wig combs inside of my wigs. The only one that I like is the one back here, but it's not necessary on these glueless wigs. It also has a dip for your ears to sit. So I really like that. And then here's the 4 by 6 inch HD lace closure. It is 4 inches of parting space back and 6 inches across the hairline. The cap also has this adjustable elastic band strap for glueless wear. I'm gonna go ahead and add my foundation underneath the lace, and I'll be right back to install this wig with y'all. So I went ahead and put my foundation underneath the lace so that it'll blend in nice once we put it on. So let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head. It does fit nice and snug, but not too tight, y'all. So this is what we're working with so far, y'all. I think that the lace looks really nice and blended. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs with this wig. So let's go ahead and do a middle parting today. It's already partially parted in the middle, but not straight in the middle of my head once I put the wig on. So I'm just fixing that. And then I'm gonna take my ebon wax stick and run it down the parting area all the way around on both sides, y'all. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of spritz spray around the parting area as well. My Infinity Pro hot comb, y'all know what time it is. If you've been watching my glueless wig install videos, y'all already know the routine. I really just like to show y'all these wigs pretty much in its natural state. Not much styling with these glueless wigs. That way, if you order these wigs, once you receive it, you can go ahead and install it yourself and get the exact same results as me. Next, I'm gonna take my Chi Original flat iron and I'm just gonna use this to get any kinks out of the hair that happened during transit, because the hair already comes pre-styled for you. So there's no need to do too much styling with it. Just take the flat iron and use it to get any kinks out of the hair. So let's go ahead and do the same on this side. Y'all, I got some makeup on my shirt. I hate when that happens. Like, I literally do my makeup in a different outfit so I don't mess it up. Somehow I still ended up getting makeup on this shirt. So if you see makeup on my shirt, don't say nothing, okay? So lastly, I'm gonna take my hairspray and just get any flyaways tamed at the top of the hair. And that is it, y'all. So simple, so easy. Oh My Pretty Hair did not let me down with this wig. It is so pretty, so sleek, easy to install. It's a lazy girl, beginner friendly wig dream. So if you have been on the hunt for a bomb straight wig, definitely check this one out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box down below for you guys. I have to run out the door. So if you have not already checked my latest video, go ahead and click the box to keep the party going.